Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the Brave browser startup or home page. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Brave web browser and select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select the settings gear button. Now on this page, underneath on startup, select where it says open a specific page or set of pages and select add a new page. Go ahead and copy and paste the URL in here, or you can just type it in and then you would select add. And then you can also select just use current pages if the web page is already open in a different tab. If you want to remove or change the home page, you can delete an old one by clicking on the three-dot icon next to it and selecting remove, and that will remove it. Please note if you have multiple pages listed in here, it'll load all of them when you open up the browser, so you may only want to have one landing page on this list, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.